Hey, what's up guys? Welcome in the Tackling channel. So here we are studying 9th and 10th computer application syllabus. So here our next topic, that is what is the use of import keyword. As you already know about it, we are covering here full book syllabus. So one by one we will cover up all the things which are in your syllabus. Okay, today's topic, that is import keywords use. So let's get start this very important topic. Here now we are having here Java library files. JDK means Java Development Kit. Okay, so Java package is a collection of various classes. Each class contains different function. In any case, you want a specific function in your program, then you have to do what? You have to import that package. Okay, there is a by default package, that is lang package. Okay, this is by default, you need not to import it by default along with your program. Okay, so java.io package, input output package. Okay, java.awt package, util package when you are using scanner class, this io package when you are using buffer class. Okay, java.applet.net maths function when you are using, so you have to import this. Without this you cannot use the maths function. Okay, if you want to use power function, so for that you have to import firstly its class. Okay, then you are able to use. Okay, so these all are the Java library files, Java library classes. Okay, so what is the use of import keyword here? Import keyword means that is used to import a package. This is a keyword. Okay, so like that we are able to use import java.util star means inside this util package all the files you can access. Okay, if you are giving a specific name, for example I'm writing here scanner. Okay, so that means in the util package I am able to use only this scanner class. I can't use another file, another class. Okay, if I'm using this star symbol only, so that means all the classes which are inside util I can use in my program. Okay, the asterisk symbol denotes all the classes of the concerning package will made available for use in your program. If you want to denote a specific class, then give the name of that particular class instead of this asterisk symbol. Like I told you, scanner or something, whatever you want to use. Java lang package is a by default package in the JDK. Okay, so this package is by default, you need not to import this package. If you are importing it, then it's also okay. Okay, if you are not importing it, so there is no any single syntax error. Okay, because it's by default. So I hope guys you people understood the meaning of import keyword, the use of import keyword. Okay, so meet you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.